Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you that the Switch has a web browser and I'm going to show you how to access it without using that eShop button. So first, go to your system settings and down here, go to internet, not parental controls. Now go to internet settings. It'll search for the networks that are nearby. Wait for it to load. And then select your network. And then select change settings. Then it will ask you to enter your parental controls PIN. Please stand by for this. A few moments later. And when you're done entering your parental controls password, if you have one, then it will bring you here in this little save button. Now, go to DNS settings and change it from automatic to manual. And then in primary DNS, type in 045 period 055 period 142 period 122, and then click OK. Then after that's done, you click save, then click OK. After that, you click connect to this network, and then it'll connect to the network device, and then we'll wait for the internet and the network device to connect, and wait till it's done connecting to the internet. Let's wait for it to do it. It's taking a while. You should check out my other videos while you're waiting. Go watch things like my Canva notebook video. It's almost done, I think. Should be. I'm really close to the network. It's up there on top of my TV. And let's just wait for it to load. And plus, this is how I got the DNS. 045-055-12122. And it's still loading. And yes, I still have the pencil too. I kept the pencil for no reason. And right now, oh, good. It's done. It says registration is required to use this network. That's for all networks. And then instead of clicking away, you click next. And then you'll wait for this to load up. Then it says, welcome to Switch Brew DNS. Then continue to Google. And whoa, you got Google! And that's how you get Google Chrome.